Namaste and welcome to Nispand YouTube channel where we discuss about health, wellness and mindful living. Do you know physical inactivity is now considered as one of the major reasons of chronic health illnesses? According to a recent study by Lancet, physical inactivity is the cause of at least 9% of premature deaths worldwide. Shocking, isn't it? It's almost around the premature deaths caused by smoking. Physical inactivity is as harmful as smoking when it comes to premature deaths globally. From day to day, we are becoming more and more sedentary due to our work cultures, due to increased innovations in entertainment technology and so many other factors. We are becoming more and more sedentary. According to another research by Lancet, at least 50% of Indians are living sedentary lifestyle. They are underactive. And the numbers become even more alarming when it comes to cities and urban areas. Almost 70% of people in urban areas and metropolitan areas are living a very sedentary and inactive lifestyle. According to the American Journal of Preventive Medicines, sitting for more than 8 hours in a day can increase the risk of cardiovascular health issues by 90%. It's a very alarming number. And most of us are sitting for that much amount in our day-to-day life. So inactivity has become very ingrained in our lifestyle nowadays. We are living very sedentary lifestyle. So I'm not trying to paint a very grim picture here. I'm not trying to paint a very sad picture. I'm just quoting some facts from some reports and from journals. So what can we do? What can we do to avoid this? It's very simple. Just movement, right? Just moving from day-to-day basis, we can remove these ill effects of sedentary lifestyle. When I talk about moving, I'm not just talking about moving randomly, I'm talking about very mindful and yogic movement. Movement is not just about burning calories. When we move mindfully, we move our internal organs, we increase the circulation, and we put our bodies into a mechanism of healing and rejuvenation. Actually, by sitting prolonged and leading a very sedentary lifestyle, we are switching off natural healing and regeneration mechanisms of our bodies. As a human, we are born and we are designed to move and run and play, but we are doing very opposite of it. We are just sitting and leading a very sedentary lifestyle. Movement is not just at physical level. Moving regularly from day-to-day basis also has a lot of impact on our mind and even on our brain. According to a research published in International Journal of Yoga, a population who practiced yoga every day, just 20 minutes of yoga every day, has led to a considerable reduction in cortisol level, which is our stress hormone. So from day-to-day basis, when we move, we not only benefit ourselves on physical level, but we also benefit ourselves on mental and emotional level. We feel better, we think clear, and we live a very healthy life. You might have heard about 10,000 steps a day, right? Why this number 10,000 steps? It's not just a random number. A lot of research has found that this is an optimal number to reduce cardiovascular health issues, to lead a very healthy and pain-free life. So we should all move at least that much. The magic happens when we mix a lot of other movements into these 10,000 steps. It's not just walking and running should be done with 10,000 steps. You can walk, you can dance, you can just stretch, you can do some yoga, and you can hit this number. The goal should not be just to hit the number, but to move throughout the day. It should become part of your day-to-day life, that you move regularly, you move at often intervals, and you move mindfully. So how can we integrate movement into our day-to-day life? There are so many ways of doing it. I'm just trying to give you some ideas, some habits which you can incorporate in your day-to-day routine. The very first habit I would like to mention is that you should walk every day in the morning. The very first practice I would say is the morning stretches. You should start your day with morning stretches. Just 5 to 10 minutes of stretching your whole body sets the tone for the rest of the day. It makes your body more flexible. It takes away all the sluggishness of the night and you can feel much better. So just early in the morning, you can just spend some 5 minutes stretching your body. After that, you can go for a morning walk. So you can finish your morning routine and then just go for a morning walk. You can complete some steps in your morning walk. Also, along with that, you can get some sunlight. You will be exposed to natural light. You will be in nature, so which will be very helpful for your physical as well as mental health. So make sure that you have some time of physical activity, and that too in form of walk, if you can incorporate in your day-to-day life. Next one you can do is practice yoga. So you can include at least 10 to 15 minutes minimum of yoga into your day-to-day routine. It can vary based on your commitments, based on your busyness in the life, but you should find some time in your life to include some yoga in your life. You can do some easy flow, you can do some pranayam, you can do some asanas, but it's very important, as I already mentioned, that practicing very minimum 10 to 15 minutes of yoga also has found to reduce cortisol level. It has also found to reduce the pains and aches and any kind of lifestyle diseases in our life. So we can find some time where we can practice some yoga in our day-to-day life, which will also improve some movement. It will bring more mindfulness into our day-to-day life. It's all about being more mindful and bringing that mindfulness in your movement. When it comes to yoga, you can also explore Nispand app. The new Nispand has a body section where there is a library of around 300 to 500 asanas, which you can practice whenever you want. They are designed to suit different body conditions and different needs, different time durations. So whenever you feel like, you can open your app and you can practice yoga. That will be very helpful. So I would recommend that you go and explore the body section in Nispand, which will improve some movement in your day-to-day life. Moving on to the next. Dance is another very good way of incorporating some movement in your day-to-day life. So you can learn to dance. If you already know, then find some time to practice any kind of dance form. It can be a traditional, it can be a fitness related. There are nowadays a lot of dance fitness where you dance to different tracks and you practice some movement. So make sure, if you are interested in dance, if you know it, if you want to learn it, you can include some form of it into your day-to-day life. That will also improve some movement, some coordination in your day-to-day life. Next, a tip I would give is that you should use stairs more than your elevators. So whenever you go out, instead of using a lift, you can use stairs. That will also increase some movement. That will also bring more movement into your life. And just in between the task, going from one place to another place, you will also go against the gravity. It will also bring some strength, and it will also increase the activity level. That will bring the sedentary lifestyle down, and also its ill effect on our health. Whenever you go for a walk or any kind of activity you are doing, be very mindful about it. Focus on your breathing, focus on the sensations when your feet are touching the ground. So mindfulness is very important when it comes to movement. Mindless movement will not bring any much benefits. It may bring some benefits on physical level, but to get overall effect, to experience the healing benefits of movement, it has to be a mindful movement. Movement is more than an exercise. It's a pathway to healing, to self-realization. So remember, it's not just about hitting the target or hitting the goal of doing some activity or doing some number every day. Movement has to become a daily part of your life. Make it a very joyful, integral part of your life. You should enjoy the movement. You should enjoy going from one place to another place. You should enjoy the dance. You should enjoy the yoga. And that's how you can increase the mindful movement in your life, and you can reduce the sedentary lifestyle. This will bring a greater sense of well-being, and we will harness our pathways where we can heal our body naturally, where we can be in tune with our natural abilities to heal and regenerate our bodies. So until next time, stay healthy, stay active, and keep moving forward on your journey of wellness. Namaste.